Welcome to Wall Street Mojo. To know about this video, today's today function in Excel function, watch the video till the end. And also, if you're new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe us by clicking the bell icon that's given below. Okay, let's begin for the today's topic. Today function that is given in Excel. How do we use this? Well, before just getting into the nitty-gritty of this, first you need to understand. See, Excel today function is categorized as date time function that returns the current system date. And the function in the date and time category, it enables us to analyze and work with the date and time values in formulas. So the today function in Excel was introduced closely around in Excel 2007. Now, how does the formula goes? The formula is equal to today bracket, the today function, the bracket. Now let's understand the explanation part. See, the today formula in Excel is picked up from the current date or the time system, and when we change the current date and the time system to another date, the today in the Excel recalculates its value to cell B2, and it is picked up as changed current date in B3. So now the today function in Excel also belongs to a special class of function that is called volatile function. And Excel recalculates a volatile function whenever it recalculates the workbook. So even if the today formula that contains the function is not involved in the recalculation, the today in Excel represents an example of volatile function because it recalculates the current date every time the Excel calculates the worksheet. So other volatile function includes like cell, indirect, info, now, offset function, and rand function. So as a side of the effect of using this volatile function, Excel always prompts you to save the workbook when you close it, even if you have made no changes to it. So for example, if you have opened the workbook that contains any of these volatile functions, scroll around a bit, but don't change anything. And then close the function. They will ask you whether you want to save the workbook or not. Okay, so you can circumvent this behavior by using the manual recalculation mode with the recalculated before, save option that is turned off. And you can change the recalculation mode in Excel, right? So the today function in Excel is updated whenever the worksheet is calculated. Like for example, if you enter either the preceding formula, if you enter the preceding, let's say, formula in the workbook, the today function displays the current date, and when you open the workbook tomorrow, though it will display the current date for the day and not the date when you entered the formula. Okay, now let's get into the nitty-gritty of an example. We have a list of 5 person here. Person 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is date of birth detail and the age part. Now to calculate the age of the person, we will use the today, 𝐓𝐻𝐃, and int function. The 𝐓𝐻𝐃 function computes the year fraction representing the number of the whole days between the start date and the end date, and it takes the argument. So the today formula in Excel to calculate the age will have to use is equal to int function, that is rounds the number down to the nearest integer. Open, okay, then open another bracket saying year frac, that returns the year fraction representing the number of the whole days between the start and the end date. Open this saying today, close the bracket as directed in the formula, comma, the end date is going to be B2 value, comma, actual we want 1, 2, 3. That's it. 32 is the age till today, and so on and so forth. So you see, you have used integer, year function, year frac function, today function, and so as to receive the date of the birth till today, what's gonna be your age. So let me write over here 12 December 1992. So my age should be closely around 26 years, right? If I change to 94, 24 years. So this way. Now, how to use today function in Excel? See, we have, let's say, if you want to calculate the number of the days of a year for a current date, like for example, the Excel today date is, let's take it as 1/4/2019. Okay, and the user wants to calculate the number of days till the current date. So how are the things going to work? Well, there are a couple of things. There is given Jan, number of days, and the total number of days are given. So the number of days remaining in the current year after this. Well, so the total number over here of days till the current date, let's say instead of this, we take the current date as 1/2018 instead of this. Okay, so let's say now using the Excel today function, the year and the date function, we can calculate the number of the days of the year for this current date, and the formula will go as is equal to today saying close the bracket date function, in that we'll write year, in that today close the bracket comma 1 close the another bracket comma 0 close the bracket. It will show us as the number of days remaining in the current year. That's close the around 94 days. Right, I hope you are getting it what we are trying to do here. Well, let's take another example here. Let's say a service-based company named SS Brother Solution provides the maintenance for printers. So the company has a list of clients with an annual maintenance contract and the end date and the amount of the AMC for 2018. Right, as you can see. So the manager has been asked to provide the total number of the AMC pending for the current year for the current date. So client, AMC end date, and the amount details are given to us for all of this. So for the upcoming months of August, September till December month here, the manager needs to calculate the AMC amount that is pending. So there are 5 companies whose AMC will be collected and given on the given AMC and the dates. So in order to calculate the total amount of the pending, we'll use the SUMIF function over here. We'll use the SUMIF function saying is equal to SUMIF on the bracket saying B2 to B17. Okay, if this is less than or less than equal to, use AND function also, and today function closes bracket comma, you'll say the amount over here C2 to C17 close the bracket, you'll get the answer over here if that will be the case. So the total AMC that is pending for the upcoming dates is showing us as 0 over here. So now based on this, I hope you have got a great idea regarding the today's function that is supposed to be used, and you can use the today formula to return the date for the previous Sunday if the current day is Sunday. So in the Excel today, the function returns the current date. It will always show that. And that's it for this particular topic. If you have liked and you have really learned from this video, I suggest you and I'm requesting you to like and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. Thank you everyone.